What I know is when I asked Secretary Lorenzana, ang parang sinabi lang ni President, tingnan natin. Madali sabi, it's just a proposal.
So is the President interested?
Well, yung kanyang sagot tingnan natin. O, ibig sabihin siguro pag-aaralan.
Ibig sabihin pag-aaralan. So that's possible, really,
Well,
to take over Hanjin. Pwede ka.
Proposal pa lang ni Secretary Dela. So let's see
Okay, thank you.
how it evolves.
Follow-up,
But do you think, sir, that's a good idea?
Ay, ba maganda rin siguro yun kung tayo na magpapatakbo nun. Sa akin, personally.
Instead of foreign companies?
Yeah, kung kaya ba natin patakbo, ba't naman hindi?
Bakit, sir?
O bakit hindi? Di ba income yun? I understand the number 4 world in the world ranking in shipbuilding. Di magandang kita yun. But it's just a proposal. Tingnan natin.
Okay, thank you, sir.